Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to use the slide master. Now suppose you have this data here and you want to put the logos right on every slide, right? So you can do it manually by copy and paste on every slide, or you can use the slide master. So to do the slide master, you go to View tab, you choose slide master, and I'm going to insert a logo, right? So I'm just using the icons to pick one of these, right? So let's say I go for this, right? And I just insert, and I'm applying these, right? Now if I apply this logo on this slide layout, it only have it here on this slide. But if I do it in the top one, right? Now notice that every single slide below, slide layout below, right, will have this slide. So now if you say that the title slide you don't want to have this logo, you can just hide it. Then you can add anything you like, right? So for example, you can change the background for this title slide, right? Use the pictures, go for insert, look for an online pictures, and so you can just insert the picture here, and you can go for transparency, right? Yes, it's really happy. So you have one of these, right? Now let's say you for the section slide, you also don't want that. No problem, just hide the columns, right? As for these, right, we want to have a different layout. So we're going to use the online again, right? I'm going to use that picture right here. So I have this slide, and I'm going to use the cropping features. Select this, use the crop it to, well, one moment, right? I want to choose aspect ratio, right? All right, so well, maybe this is just nice, right? So I have this, and I'm going to use the insert shape to just crop it. All right, so I'm highlighting the pictures and the shape, and I go to the crop, subtract. That's it. And so whenever I see a section slide, I will have this triangle right here, and as for the title slide, I will have this, and for the rest of the slide, I will have my logo right here. So I go ahead and close the master view, right, which right here, close it, and look at that, all the slide with the numbers. And this is how you use a master slide as its most basic use of it. Thank you.